children, welcome back to our part 2 video, in which, as I told you before also, that we are going to do book exercises of chapter number 8, that is we need a house. Okay, so as I have given you part 1 video, and I hope that you all have completed watching my part 1 video, in which I have explained you the leftover chapter which I left on Tuesday, and after that I have again read the whole chapter very nicely and explained it to you, and I told you to read this chapter at home twice or thrice. So I hope you all have done that. And reading is very important, children, because it will improve your reading skill, correct? And now in this video, that is part 2 video, we are going to do our book exercises. Is that clear to you all? Now, before starting with the book exercises, children, I want to tell you all that as you all know that we all have started with our online sessions also. Every day we are taking different subjects for online sessions. So I hope you all are getting the things which your teachers are explaining through online sessions. I hope you all are attending those sessions, and please children, it is very compulsory for you all to attend these sessions, because through these sessions we will be revising the chapters which we will be giving in your pre-midterm exams. So it is very important for you all to attend those sessions. Okay, so as you all know that today also I am going to give you EVS session in the evening. So I want you all to be present there so that you can understand the topics of EVS which I will be explaining you. Okay, so that is all, and please make sure children that we have also sent you one message for correction. So I want you all to bring your copies for correction to school, so that we can correct your copies and give it back to you, so that you can learn your chapters. Okay, so please make sure that your notebooks, your holiday homework will contain marks. So we want it for your corrections. Okay, we want it so that we can correct it on time and we can give it back to you. So from Monday to Thursday you can all come to school to submit your holiday homework files as well as your notebooks, and then you can take it on Friday and Saturday. Okay, so take back it on Friday and Saturday. Now let's get started with our part 2 video, in which we are going to start the book exercise. So children, for starting book exercise, I want you all to take out your EVS book and turn to page number 28, as you can see here. Okay, our first exercise is tick the correct answers. Are you all ready? Very good. So tick the correct answers. In this exercise, what we will do, there are some sentences given, 5 sentences given with 3 options in every sentence. Okay, with every sentence there are 3 options. We have to read the sentence carefully, and then we have to read the options carefully. Then we have to find out that which will be the correct option for that particular question. Okay, and whichever will be the correct option, we will put a tick mark in front of that option. Is that clear? So let's get started, children. First question, we feel safe and dash in our house. हम अपने घर में सेफ और क्या महसूस करते हैं जब हम अपने घर में होते हैं? सेफ रहते हैं, हम अपने आप को बहुत सेफ फील करते हैं, और क्या करते हैं? अनईजी, अनसेफ या कंफर्टेबल? अनईजी तो नहीं होते हम अपने घर में, अनसेफ भी नहीं होते, बिकॉज वी फील सेफ इन आवर हाउस. देन comes your third option, that is comfortable. So yes, comfortable is correct answer. So we will put a tick in front of the word comfortable like this. Okay, so we feel safe and comfortable in our house. Clear to you all? Now coming to the second part, a kacha house is also called a hut, bungalow, flat. कच्चा हाउस को हम दूसरा नेम क्या देते हैं? व्हाट इज द सेकेंड नेम फॉर कच्चा हाउस? हट, बंगलो और फ्लैट? यस, करेक्ट आंसर इज हट. ओके, बिकॉज Hut is a kacha house. Bungalow and flats are pakka houses. These two are examples of pakka houses. Now coming to the third part, houses made of wood are commonly found in, जो वुड के हाउसेस होते हैं, लकड़ी से बने घर होते हैं, वो कहाँ मिलते हैं, कहाँ देखने को मिलते हैं? कॉमनली दे आर फाउंड इन सिटीज, विलेजेस और हिली रीजन्स. वुड वाले घर, लकड़ी के बने हुए घर हमने कहाँ पढ़ा था, कहाँ मिलते हैं? येस, दे आर फाउंड इन हिली रीजन्स. सिटीज़ में हमें पक्का हाउसेस मिलते हैं, विलेजेस में हमें कच्चा हाउसेस मिलते हैं और हिली रीजन्स में हमें वुड के हाउसेस मिलते हैं. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज हिली रीजन्स एंड वी विल पुट अ टिक इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिली रीजन्स. देन कमिंग टू द फोर्थ सेंटेंस, which of the following houses has doors and windows made of glass? कौन से टाइप के हाउसेस में डोर्स और विंडोज ग्लास के यानी कांच के बने होते हैं? कच्चा हाउस में, पक्का हाउस में या हट में? कच्चा हाउस and hut are the same thing, so we don't find doors and windows made of glass there, but in a pakka house we find doors and windows made of glass. Pakka houses में glass से बने होते हैं, so we will put a tick in front of pakka house. Okay, now coming to the last fifth sentence, how should we keep our house? हमें अपना घर कैसा रखना चाहिए? Should we keep it clean? Should we keep it dirty or untidy? What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is clean. So we will put a tick in front of the word clean. Is that clear, children? I hope you all have understood it clearly. Now once again I am repeating this same exercise. Listen to it carefully. We feel safe and dash in our house. Correct answer is comfortable. We feel safe and comfortable in our house. Second is a kacha house is also called a hut. Kacha house का को हम हट के नाम से भी जानते हैं. हाउसेज मेड ऑफ वुड आर कॉमनली फाउंड इन हिली रीजन्स. जो घर लकड़ी के बने होते हैं, दोज हाउसेज आर फाउंड इन हिली रीजन्स, पहाड़ों वाले एरिया में मिलते हैं. ओके, देन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हाउसेज हैज डोर्स एंड विंडोज मेड ऑफ ग्लास? पक्का हाउसेज हैज doors and windows made of glass. Okay, and last one, how should we keep our house? And the correct option is we should keep our house clean. Clear? So I hope this exercise is clear to you all. There is no confusion now. Second exercise is write down the complete address of your house. Now what you will do here, there are some headings given. Okay, first is your name. So this exercise is basically on writing your address. You should know how to write your correct address whenever you order something online. Okay, or whenever you send a parcel to your friend or your relatives. Okay, what you do on the envelope, what you do, you write your name. Okay, you write the name where you are sending, the person's name, then you write their house number, colony, name of the colony where they live. Okay, then you write the street, landmark if any, then state. Okay, city ka name, फिर state ka name, and in the last you write your country name. Is that clear? So in the same manner you should know that how you should write your correct address. So through this exercise we will understand it. Okay, so first of all, your name. So in front of the heading your name you will write here your name. Okay, so I am explaining you by writing my own address. Okay, I will be writing my details here, but make sure that you all will write your own details. आप लोग अपने पेरेंट्स की हेल्प से, मम्मी पापा की हेल्प से उनसे हाउस नंबर, फ्लोर, लेन और स्ट्रीट ये सब चीज़ें पूछ के आप इसमें फिल करेंगे. कोई भी मेरे जैसा फिल नहीं करेगा, बिकॉज आई एम फिलिंग माई ओन एड्रेस हियर. ओके, सो इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर नेम यू विल राइट योर ओन नेम. हियर आई एम राइटिंग माई नेम, लाइक आई एम राइटिंग माई नेम पूजा मुदगल, MUDGAL. ओके, योर नेम में आ गया आपका नाम. देन हाउस नंबर. ओके, what is your house number? You will write here. Okay, so my house number I am writing here 159A. Okay, then floor number. सो फ्लोर नंबर, आपका जो भी फ्लोर, अगर आप के फ्लैट्स में रहते हो, अगर आपका वहाँ पे फ्लोर है तो आप फ्लोर नंबर लिखो, अगर नहीं है तो उसमें डैश लगा दो. सो आई ऑल्सो डोंट हैव अ फ्लोर नंबर, सो आई विल पुट अ डैश हियर. देन लेन और स्ट्रीट, सो विच स्ट्रीट आई एम लिविंग, so I will write here Baluganj, okay, because there is no lane here, I am writing Baluganj, okay, where I am staying. Then coming to the next heading, name of the colony. ओके, सो नेम ऑफ द कॉलोनी में जो आपकी कॉलोनी का नेम होगा आप वो लिखेंगे, ठीक है. आई एम नॉट हैविंग द नेम ऑफ एनी कॉलोनी, सो आई एम नॉट राइटिंग हियर, but if you are staying in a colony, so you will write the name of your colony. Then name of the city, town or village, wherever you are staying, if it is a city, town or village, you will write it here. So I am writing the name of the city in which I am living, so we all will write the city Agra, okay. You all are living in Agra, so you will write it in Agra, okay. Then state, what is our state? State means कौन सा स्टेट है हमारा, ओके. देन आवर स्टेट इज उत्तर प्रदेश, ओके. सो यू ऑल विल राइट UTTAR उत्तर प्रदेश, PRADESH प्रदेश, ओके. सो उत्तर प्रदेश इज द स्टेट विच यू ऑल विल राइट, बिकॉज अगर आप सब लोग, जब हम सिटी सेम लिखेंगे तो स्टेट भी सेम लिखेंगे और कंट्री भी सेम लिखेंगे, इंडिया, INDIA, इंडिया. Is that clear to you all? I hope you all have understood how to write the address, complete address. What is the correct manner of writing complete address? So I want you all to complete these 2 book exercises by today itself, and then from tomorrow we will again complete our leftover exercises, book exercises C and D, and 1 notebook exercise we will do. So till my next video children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.